Hi guys, welcome back. It's number 13 of the episodes right now, and last episode I installed the sound deadening materials on the doors and on the walls and on the roof, and I started already to put it on the floor. So yeah, let's continue to do the inner wheel arches in here, and yeah. Okay, let's get to work.
Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing campervan. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
Okay, so I ran out of the black panel, the material, so I'm using the red one. This is basically the same thing, so this could make lots of sound from the wheels, so I think I'm gonna cover this whole thing. Okay. Looking better. Let's continue welding the back door frames. There's a few spots in here. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna need to take the light off first. Then I can see how big piece of metal we need to replace from here. And yeah. Up here also have a few spots that need some welding, and because I'm a little bit annoyed when we don't have the seal, the gasket in here, so all the rainwater goes into the van and it's on the floor, so maybe it's a good time to weld this back together so we can buy a new seal for the doors. More rust inside. Oh. I don't know if I cut maybe too deep. Well, here of course, yeah. But I need to just weld it there. But I hope it's come off. Okay, I got my welder back there, and so I cleaned up the small piece that would go in here, like this. Now I need to cut a piece here also. Okay, so it should be like something like this. Yeah, let's cut this out and let's see how this fits. So the first one is here. I cut this little corner too short, so I make a new one. But this one fits pretty good. What do you think? So I can start welding this all together now. I think it looks decent. Just some filler in here, some paint, and good as new. So this side looks pretty okay. It's already painted, and yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it just like this. So I need to weld a piece in here. And it continues. There's 5 spots. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So yeah, and there's rust in here, a bit everywhere. I don't know what is wrong with these Ivecos. So all these edges are now ready to get the new metal on the place. So, but yeah, let's cut the pieces and start welding. I think this is gonna work. Okay, so it fits. Okay, there's now the second one. We can see the next one in here, so continue with that one. These are a little bit easier and smaller ones, so let's just cut straight pieces in here. I have this 30mm XPS foam board, and this I'm gonna use on the walls. So I want to try to glue these down on the walls, and let's see how well they will bond to the metal surface. I didn't want to use this the material that has a aluminium surface on it, because they don't bend as much as this, you know. So it's easier to get this attached to the curved surface on the walls. Okay, let's get the glue and start working. So the foam glue we are using is from Titan, and this is Styro 753, and this is foam glue. I think I'm gonna use a little bit different kind of stuff inside these beams in here. This stuff I'm just gonna use when I'm gluing these boards to the walls. Okay, so I think this is a good place to start. I'm not gonna glue on top of this, so just behind this small lip here, and then on this. This one fits pretty good in here, but it's quite hard to push on the wall. You need to shake this 30 seconds, and then it's ready to go. And we're using this pistol. Okay, screw this here, and then we can put the foam in here. Okay. Now we need to clean the pistol so we can use this later. So this is the cleaner, and there's a little spray nozzle, comes, and you can spray here. Foam in here, like this, and foam in here, like this, and then take the nozzle out and you screw this in here, and then you can press and then it's clear. Okay, it's the next day, so this is fully cured now. Foam is, I checked like about 2 hours after I glued this in, and it was already pretty good. And yeah, this is solid, so let's take this out. Okay, it's still here. Try to pull it off, so let's see if yeah, it's holding pretty good, so I'm pleased with this. Now let's get started with the insulation. Actually, I need to do one thing first. I have now glued a few XPS little panels in here. I'm not gonna use this foam glue to fill up these voids in here. I'm gonna use a little bit different stuff because this is twice as expensive as the normal foam. I tried to spray the underside coating yesterday, but I only get it a little bit out. I think it was a little bit too thick to come out from the sprayer. I just used the brush so I can show you here. Okay, so there is a thick layer of underside coating on top of the epoxy paint inside the arch. So I think this is pretty good now. So there is still lots of work to do in the van, and there's a new project coming along. So the van is slowly moving ahead, the process. It's gonna take about 2 months, so I think in 2 months I'm not gonna work with the van. Thank you guys for watching this episode. We see you on the next one as we continue working on this.